Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how beginners can start making money with AI right now in 2026. AI isn't just for tech experts anymore. With the right tools and strategies, you can leverage AI to create income streams, even without coding experience. We'll explore practical methods and real-world examples to get you started. One of the quickest ways to monetize AI is through freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are full of opportunities. Use AI tools for tasks like graphic design with Midjourney or DALL-E, content writing with Jasper or Claude, or video editing with Runway ML. Build a portfolio with AI-generated samples and start charging $20 to $100 per hour. The demand for AI-skilled freelancers has increased 250% since 2023. AI can transform content creation on platforms like YouTube, blogs, and TikTok, making it easier to produce engaging videos and articles. One powerful application is using AI for script writing. AI tools can generate creative ideas, detailed outlines, and even full scripts for your videos. AI can also help design eye-catching thumbnails that attract viewers. Tools like DALL-E or Midjourney can create custom graphics that match your content's theme. AI can analyze trends and suggest keywords to optimize your content for search engines, helping your videos and posts reach more people. To get the best results from AI, focus on prompt engineering. This means crafting detailed, specific inputs that guide the AI to produce exactly what you need. Ethics are crucial in AI content creation. Always avoid plagiarism by using AI as a tool, not a replacement, and verify the accuracy of AI-generated content before publishing. Investing in the AI revolution can be a smart way to participate in the growth of artificial intelligence. Consider putting money into AI-related stocks, such as NVIDIA or Alphabet. These companies are leaders in AI technology and have shown strong performance. You might also explore AI-focused cryptocurrencies, which can offer high potential returns but come with higher risk. Start small with investments you're comfortable losing and focus on building knowledge. Learn the basics of diversification, which means spreading your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Also study risk assessment to understand how to evaluate potential losses and returns. Resources like Khan Academy provide free courses to help you build a solid investment foundation. Always remember that past performance is not indicative of future results, so invest wisely and do your research. Another way to monetize AI is through affiliate marketing and consulting services. Promote AI tools through affiliate marketing programs like Amazon Associates. When someone purchases through your referral link, you earn a commission. Offer consulting services to small businesses looking to adopt AI. Help them automate tasks, improve marketing, and leverage AI for growth. With the EU AI Act in full effect, expertise in ethical AI is highly valued. Ensure businesses comply with regulations while implementing AI solutions. Sarah Chen's success as a freelance AI consultant shows what's possible. She started as a beginner and now charges $500 per hour for AI marketing strategies. The AI landscape is constantly evolving. Keep an eye on key trends like AI-powered personalization and sustainable AI. Hybrid human-AI jobs are projected to dominate, so focus on blending your skills with AI. Subscribe to newsletters like MIT Technology Review to stay informed and spot emerging opportunities. Consider AI applications in healthcare or education for future growth. As we wrap up our exploration of making money with AI, it's crucial to discuss ethical considerations and final thoughts. It's crucial to use AI ethically. This means understanding the importance of bias mitigation and data privacy in all your AI applications. Start with free courses on Coursera or edX to grasp the fundamentals of machine learning. These platforms offer accessible entry points for understanding AI basics. Remember, success in AI monetization requires continuous learning, adaptation, and a commitment to responsible innovation. Elon Musk believes AI will empower billions to create wealth, and you can be one of them. With ethical practices and ongoing learning, you're well positioned to succeed in this exciting field.